Class 10, History and Civics, Chapter, The United Nations. The United Nations Organization is a world organization comprising a large number of countries of the world. It was set up after the Second World War on October 24, 1945, to bring an end to wars, to establish permanent peace in the world, and to bring about an economic and cultural development of mankind. Its headquarters are at New York City in the USA. Almost all countries of the world are its members. At present, its total membership is 193. Objectives of the UNO. The main objectives of the United Nations were defined in Article 1 of the UN Charter as to maintain international peace and security, and to that end, to take effective collective measures for the prevention and removal of threats to the peace and for the suppression of acts of aggression or other breaches of the peace, and to bring about by peaceful means and in conformity with the principles of justice and international law, adjustment or settlement of international disputes or situations which might lead to a breach of the peace, to develop friendly relations among nations based on respect for the principle of equal rights and self-determination of peoples, and to take other appropriate measures to strengthen universal peace, to achieve international cooperation in solving international problems of an economic, social, cultural or humanitarian character, and in promoting and encouraging respect for human rights and for fundamental freedom for all without distinction as to race, sex, language or religion, to be a center for harmonizing the actions of nations in the attainment of these common ends. Composition of the main organs of the UNO. The UNO has 6 main organs: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice and Secretariat. The composition of the General Assembly. It is an important organ of the UNO. It is the chief deliberative organ. It is considered as the parliament of the UNO. All the 193 member states of the UNO are its members. On 14th July 2011, South Sudan, a part of Africa, became the newest member of the UNO. The number of member countries is now 193. Its regular session is held once a year on the third Tuesday in September and continues until mid-December. At the start of each session, it elects a new president, 21 vice presidents, and chairperson of its 7 main committees. In addition to its regular sessions, emergency or special session can also be held. Each country can send 5 delegates but has 1 vote only. Composition of the Security Council. The Security Council is the executive body of the UNO. The Council has 15 members. The USA, Russia, England, France and China are the permanent members. The remaining 10 non-permanent members are elected by the General Assembly for 2 years. Each member of the Council has 1 vote. The ordinary matters require the affirmative vote of 9 members out of 15. Decisions on important matters require 9 votes, including the votes of all the 5 permanent members. The permanent members thus have the right to veto. By the application of this right, a permanent member may reject any decision of the Security Council. Composition of the International Court of Justice. It is the chief court of the UNO. It consists of 15 judges elected by the General Assembly and the Security Council voting separately. The judges work for a term of 9 years and may be re-elected. Its quorum is fixed at 9. All decisions are taken by the majority vote of the present judges. The Chief Justice is elected for 3 years and has got the right of a casting vote. Only one judge from a country is elected. The seat of the court is at The Hague in the Netherlands. Here ends this chapter.